Hello and welcome. We're glad you're here. In today's video, we will guide you through the member registration process at Healy World and explain how to get started if you do not yet have a sponsor. To join Healy World, either as an independent Healy World member, also known as a distributor, or as a retail customer, registration is usually completed using a sponsor's referral link. However, if you do not have a sponsor, have never been registered with Healy World before, and do not know anyone who can provide you with a referral link, there is a solution available for you. In this case, you can use the member registration form on the Healy World Shop EU website. You will find it at the bottom of the page by clicking Sign Up, and then get to know the Healy World family. This member registration is the central entry point for new prospects who do not have a sponsor or referral link, have never been registered with Healy World, or have purchased a pre-owned Healy device and would now like to register in order to use it. Please make sure to complete the form fully and accurately. You will be asked to provide your first and last name, physical address, phone number, email address, and preferred language. This information helps us find a suitable sponsor from your region who ideally speaks your native language. In addition, you can indicate whether you already own a Healy product, your experience with network marketing, and your personal wishes or goals. This allows us to optimize the sponsor search specifically for you. Very important. Under consent in the form, you are required to give your permission for us to forward your data. This consent is required so we can share your information with a potential sponsor and support you during the registration process. Once we receive your completed form, we will review your information and search for a suitable sponsor on your behalf. You will then be contacted and guided through the next steps. Please note, if you already have a sponsor or are an existing Healy World member or customer, please contact Healy World Support directly via the Support Center or live chat for any questions. We look forward to welcoming you to the Healy World family.